Hello, how does it here? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues of your target app on your iOS. First thing you want to do is go up to the App Store, search bar, and make sure that you have on your target app the newest version updated. Here, and there is open bar, but there should be the update bar if this available update right now. But if it's not, there should be open bar. So when you updated your app and you still have some issues, there are more ways to fix it. First, go up to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, go right here, target, and just change everything to the fabric settings, like Siri, here, search, background app refresh on, the language doesn't matter what, that should be alright. But if it's not and you still have some issues with your app, you should go here, hold, remove button, remove, uninstall, and just go and reinstall the app. That should fix all the issues. If video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.